To use the Fidelity ETF screener, start by logging into your Fidelity account and navigating to the Research and Tools section. From there, select the ETF screener option to access the tool. The ETF screener is a powerful tool that allows you to filter and compare exchange-traded funds based on a variety of criteria. First, you will see a list of available ETFs, which can be overwhelming. To narrow down the options, use the filters on the left side of the page. These filters allow you to select ETFs based on factors such as asset class, sector, and geographic region. You can also filter by performance metrics, such as return and volatility. Once you have selected your filters, click the Apply button to see the results. The ETF screener will display a list of ETFs that match your criteria, along with key information such as the ETF's name, symbol, and performance data. You can also view more detailed information about each ETF, including its holdings, expenses, and trading data. To compare multiple ETFs, select the boxes next to the ETFs you are interested in and click the Compare button. The ETF screener will display a side-by-side comparison of the selected ETFs, allowing you to easily compare their performance, expenses, and other key metrics. In addition to the filters and comparison tools, the ETF screener also provides access to a variety of research and analysis tools. These tools include ETF profiles, which provide detailed information about each ETF, and research reports, which provide in-depth analysis of the ETF market. To get the most out of the Fidelity ETF screener, it is a good idea to have a clear idea of what you are looking for in an ETF. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance, and use the filters and comparison tools to find ETFs that meet your needs. It is also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. By following these steps and using the Fidelity ETF screener effectively, you can make informed investment decisions and find the right ETFs for your portfolio. The ETF screener is a powerful tool that can help you navigate the complex world of exchange-traded funds and make the most of your investments.